What if I told you there's a money secret that lets your cash make more cash without you lifting a finger? It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a fundamental principle of wealth that many overlook. By the end of this video, you'll know how to put this superpower to work for your own financial future. That secret is called compound interest. Think of it as interest earning interest. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, picking up more snow, getting bigger and bigger, faster and faster. Let's start with simple interest, the basic kind. If you put $100 in a bank account that pays 5% simple interest per year, you'd earn $5 in interest each year. Easy, right? After 10 years, you'd have your original $100 plus $50 in interest, totaling $150. Your money grew steadily, but it's a fixed amount added on top each time. Nothing wrong with that, but we can do better. Now, imagine the same $100 with 5% compound interest. In the first year, you still earn $5, bringing your total to $105. Nothing new there, but here's the magic. In the second year, you don't earn interest on just your original $100. You earn interest on the asterisk new total asterisk of $105. So 5% of $105 is $5.25. Your balance becomes $110.25. See what happened? That extra $0.25 from the second year might seem tiny, but over time, those small additions compound dramatically. Your interest starts earning its own interest. Let's fast forward a bit. After 10 years with compound interest, your original $100 at 5% would turn into roughly $162.89. That's $12.89 more than with simple interest from the same initial amount and interest rate. This difference grows exponentially over longer periods. This is why compound interest is often called the eighth wonder of the world. It's a force that truly builds wealth. The biggest mistake people make: not starting early enough. Time is the most powerful ingredient in compounding. The longer your money has to grow, the more interest it earns, and the more that interest earns interest. Imagine Sarah, who starts saving $100 a month at age 25 in an investment, earning 7% annually. By age 65, she'd have over $240,000. Now consider Mark, who waits until age 35 to start, also saving $100 a month at 7%. By age 65, he'd only have around $115,000. He saved for 10 fewer years, but ended up with less than half of Sarah's money. This staggering difference is entirely due to the magic of compounding over those extra 10 years. Every dollar Sarah invested early had more time to multiply itself. So, where can you find compound interest working for you? Savings accounts offer it, but often at very low rates. High-yield savings accounts are better, but still relatively modest. The real power of compounding shines in investments like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, often found in retirement accounts like 401ks or IRA. These investments aim for higher returns over the long term. But remember, with higher potential returns comes higher risk. The key is to balance that risk with your personal comfort level and time horizon. Another common mistake is taking money out too soon. Every time you withdraw from a compound interest account, you're not just taking out your principal and interest, you're also stealing from your future potential growth. Think about debt for a moment. Compound interest isn't always your friend. Credit card debt, for example, uses compounding against you. The interest you owe also accrues interest, making your debt snowball out of control. This is why aggressively paying off high interest debt is like earning a guaranteed high return on your money. You're stopping the negative compounding and putting those funds back to work for you. So, how can you make compound interest your money multiplier today? Start small, start now. Even an extra $20 or $50 a month consistently invested can become a significant sum decades from now. Automate your savings or investments. Set up a recurring transfer so you don't even have to think about it. Make it a habit. The less you interact with the decision, the more likely you are to stick with it. And finally, be patient. Compound interest is a long-term game. It's not about getting rich overnight, but about steadily and surely building wealth over years and decades. The one thing to remember: time and consistency are your greatest allies with compound interest. The sooner you start and the more regularly you contribute, the richer your future self will be. Your money can work harder for you than you can. So take action today. Even if it's just $10, start a savings account, look into an IRA, or put an extra payment on that high-interest debt. And for more simple money lessons, hit that subscribe button.